Hi all, welcome to today's post-market report for the Zebu school. And in the morning we have seen, and I already marked this zone. So we note that this is the key level, only below this market can go down. Otherwise, what was our today's view is market is going to fluctuate between this. Even for the Nifty, that is what exactly happened. So the only key level is VIX is 25 and for the day roughly 10% up. So again, this is the key level, or the key factor as a trader one needs to always concentrate on. So where the market has exactly ended. So Nifty settled around 16,125, okay, and Bank Nifty somewhere around 34,290. So looking at closing wise, so the Nifty is roughly 8-9 point down, okay. So for the day it was down, and Bank Nifty is up, so 42 points up for the day. So looking at the price structure and even looking at the market nature, seems to be like confusing market. That is visible from Nifty negative closing of 89 point, Bank Nifty slightly positive closing of 42, and moreover volatility for the day. Don't know what was the reason, but for the day from the market opening, so VIX is up 10% and it is at the 25 level. So below 20 is the better level for initial level traders or learners to concentrate, but when the VIX is above 25, so even it may go to 30, so it is only the pro traders, even some of the pro traders are struggling to find this market and couldn't cope up this volatility. That was the actual real scenario about the VIX is greater than 20, and moreover we don't know what was the reason between in 3 minutes market is going up in another 200 points, suddenly within 3 minutes market is coming down just 200 points with no reason. So only it is all because of this. And but for a real trader who concentrate more on the price structure, so this is what I said, whatever is going to happen, it is going to open only in this zone, okay. It has happened exactly as we have predicted, and moreover for the Nifty is also something like that. Again, tomorrow from here on, what should be like, we'll be looking forward. Again, thing is we are getting closer to the monthly expiry of the current series, okay, May, and another 2 days left hardly, and market is consolidating, but there is always this kind of pressure is seen in the market whenever market try to rise. So again, for the next 2 days, be assured that if there is any drift fall, if there is a very huge fall, so needs to be like accommodated in your strategies, because looking at the monthly expiry and moreover looking at the pressure from the higher level, I sense or I feel there could be some kind of slight crackdown in the market, might be testing the lows of the May month. If at all, if that is going to happen, ensure that your capital is safe, your strategy is safe, and your view is safe. And from here on, what we could expect is, again, I don't expect today's high or this level to break again tomorrow, and moreover there might be a possibility it can drift towards in this direction. So okay, so earlier I kept this as horizontal line. Now looking at the structure, I feel like, so tomorrow it can go in this direction, looking at the pressure in the price, and moreover looking at the VIX. So whenever market is going up, because of the VIX, it is couldn't sustain there, because VIX is what generally any trend against the trend, whatever move can happen, it is the measure of the VIX, right? If the VIX is small, obviously on an uptrend you will get another 100 point, 200 point against the Nifty, whereas with the Nifty, if the VIX is higher, so that means what, even the trend is up, but you may get 200 to 250 points just as an pullback. That is the key element one needs to be taking care around when VIX is above 20 levels. So again, what I expect for tomorrow is, I expect something like this, okay. Again, kind of flat to bearish opening I am expecting, okay. Unless and until if there is any impact from the global market, I don't expect the market to move beyond this level. So for the tomorrow, I expect this to trade in this kind of downtrending channel for the next 2 to 3 days. So maybe we will see. I expect again institutional as a net outflow. So that means altogether FIA and DIA, I expect a net outflow of selling momentum. We may be able to see at the end of the day, and moreover we will just try to see by tomorrow's opening. This is my view as of today's closing. Let's wait. Okay, let's wait for the FI number as the monthly things are closing up. Just waiting for FI selling numbers so that it could reach an all-time high number of in terms of May month selling. Okay, already we have down than more than I think 45 to 50,000 crore they have sold, because every day they've been selling, and today we need to see whether they sold or not. And only thing was how much they sold is the key now. It is whether they sold or not is not the answer. So every day they are selling. How much is the quantum of selling is what we need to look upon, and I generally concentrate more on the net inflow or net outflow altogether of FI and DAI. I expect this to do for tomorrow. Many of we will just see in the tomorrow's market opening report. We will try to analyze all these things, and then we may take a refined view of what is going to happen for the tomorrow or next 1 or 2 days as the situation prevails. This is what my expected view is, and I am trading with this very tighter zone. Even if it is going to break out, again I am going to cut my risk on the upside, and even if it goes further down, I am going to like slowly add on little higher shots in the my positioning. So again, I do not want to have within 2 days expiry. I wanted to have little higher expiry, so started playing in next series. So that's it from my side as an update. Maybe we will catch it up tomorrow, and then you will get a clear clarity about how this is going to happen based on the FI number, and moreover from the tomorrow's opening analysis. And again, I don't know exactly what is the reason behind today's VIX was up. So if this is the case, again tomorrow still VIX can go higher unless and until something is getting fizzled out, like means volatility needs to be fizzled out. So unless and otherwise VIX is supposed to slightly grow. So in that aspect I am saying wait for tomorrow's market opening, then we may have a good clarity about what is there for the next 1 or 2 days, and maybe till that time just keep connected to us, and you can follow us in our Telegram channel of Zebu School. So if in case if you are new to our YouTube and looking for where to look for the link for joining our Zebu School, just below the description of this video there will be a Telegram channel link called Zebu School. So please join there. Whatever we are trying to discuss in the live market, I used to share my view, and moreover if any strategies I am trading. So I don't put it on a regular to regular basis like on an intraday basis, but weekly 1 or 2 views and weekly 1 or 2 strategies I will be discussing there, okay, along with this pre-market and kind of post-market analysis. So that will be most useful to you. So for the day, that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the tomorrow's report.